Hi there and welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix WhatsApp status time problem in just a few simple steps. Now let's get started. First, open your device settings. This is where you can control all the functions of your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on the Apps, then tap on Manage Apps section. Here you can find a list of all the installed apps. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and select the app from the list. This opens WhatsApp's settings page. Now tap on Storage within the WhatsApp app settings. This is where the app's data is stored. Tap Clear Cache to remove cached data that may be causing the issue. This step helps refresh the app. Check if the WhatsApp status time issue is fixed. Go back to WhatsApp and see if the status updates correctly. If the issue persists, restart your phone. This simple action can clear up minor glitches. Alternatively, try toggling airplane mode on and off or switching Bluetooth on and off. This can reset your phone's connections and fix the problem. Check your device's date and time settings by going into your phone's settings. In the search bar, type date and time, then tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone are turned on. If not, enable them, and check if the timestamp on your WhatsApp status updates correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.